In this video, we will take a look at Ordoro's manufacturing or bill of materials feature set. This manufacturing workflow can help manage your inventory by creating bill of materials products, or BOMs, and issuing manufacturing orders to produce sellable items. So if we take a look at the Ordoro account here, I'm in the product section, and I can see that I have a few BOM products. A BOM product is a finished product that you sell that lists the raw goods needed to create the finished product. These materials may require manufacturing, combining, building, or repairing to make the finished good. So in this instance, I have my brilliant blue bike that I sell on my sales channels, and I can see in this BOM section that it's comprised of a handlebar, a bike seat, 2 tires, and the blue bike frame. So I know that when I need to manufacture this product, it's made of these components, and I can see what they have on hand. So let's take a look at building a BOM product. I have my red bike here, and you can see it doesn't have that BOM tag like the other products had, or a kit tag or anything like that. So we're going to need to select Convert to Kit or BOM. And here you might be wondering what is different about the manufacturing feature from our kitting feature. A BOM product is a pre-built item that is on your shelf and ready to go out the door on an order versus a kit whose components are gathered on the fly for shipping. So for a BOM, we're going to select BOM or pre-built, and then we're going to add our components. So we need, where it's another bike, just a different color. So we need our handlebar, we need our seat, we need our tires, we need to increase it to 2 of those, it's 1 of the others and 2 of that, and then we also need our red bike frame. And now we have everything that is needed for building a radical red bike. So I will click Save. And you'll now see that this product shows as a BOM, and we can see all of the different products associated with it, all of the different components. And if we take a look at our product section again, it has the BOM tag. Now it currently has 3 in stock, so let's go through the process of ordering more or manufacturing more of this product. To do so, we'll go to the Manufacturing tab, and we'll select Initiate a Manufacturing Order. Here you'll see that you're able to set the order ID, assign the warehouse. This is going to be the warehouse where when you finish the good, the inventory increases for this BOM product, and it also decreases the inventory of those component products that we connected to the BOM. We can also set the notes for the manufacturer if there's anything specific that needs to go into this specific order. And we can add any other additional internal notes that maybe aren't necessarily for the manufacturer but are good to have on this manufacturing order. And then from there, we're going to go to Add a Finished SKU, and we'll be able to search for our products that we want to add here. And what's going to happen here is it's only going to show the products set as BOM SKUs. So I have tons of other products that have bike in the name that we saw in that product list, but I'm only showing my 4 BOM SKUs here. I'm going to select my radical red bike and set the quantity that I want to order. Let's say I want to order 10 more at a time, and I can see what it's going to be made up of. And I can also add any specific notes for this line item, for the manufacturer, or just general internal notes. Let's go ahead and add another SKU. Add one of our other bikes, and let's make 10 of it as well. And then once we're finished adding all of the products that we would like to manufacture, adding our notes, assigning our warehouse, we can either just go ahead and create it, or we can create and view and go into where we can see this manufacturing order. From here, as your manufacturing team goes to start manufacturing the product, they can change the status from this initiated, which means it's just been created, to active, so that they know it's in that filter that they're working on. From there, they'd go gather the components, make the bike, and everything that's on this order. And then whenever they are finished making the bikes, they can set the quantity that they're receiving. And let's say in this instance, they only got around to finishing 5 of this red bike today. So they could set that they are receiving 5. Previously we've received 0 or finished 0, and click save. So now I see my finished quantity of 5 out of my total quantity of 10. So let's say we came back the next day and we are going to finish out this order. We'll see that there's a previously 5 received. We'll receive those other 5. And then we can also go ahead and receive, let's say we made these 10 gorgeous green bikes. And this is 10 out of 10 finished for each line. So at that point, we could update the status to finished, click save, and we know that this manufacturing order is complete. Let's go look at the Radical Red bike. Now we see that we did have 3, but now we have 13 on hand because we received our manufacturing order. We can also go to the BOMs section here and see the newly reduced physical on-hand quantities for the components, since we received those 20 finished bikes within the manufacturing order. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.